Atakuja tu. Then nifanye hivyo. Atakuja tu. Haya, achilia itakuwa kumani.
Any attempt to introduce professional healthcare courses through irregular processes without proper regulatory oversight, without consultations with the stakeholders, healthcare runs a risk. Students enrolled in such programs face a risk of non-registration and non-licensure. Their qualifications become suspect because we do not assure our public of safety standards of the services that are about to be delivered by these persons. So we call upon the Ministry of Health, the Ministry of Education, and the Commission of University Education to align. Professional regulatory councils and all relevant quality assurance agencies must urgently investigate and address these healthcare training programs whose accreditation, regulatory approval, clinical training, and professional recognition remains unclear.